Hi, I am Jon Håvard and I am one of the 3 members in Team 9 in this hackathon. And I want to create a workshop where people can learn about recycling, product design and more, and use my machines to make new things out of plastic waste for a small fee. This flowchart shows how a recycling process can be done. Here is my shredder. That is based on a Dave Hackins design. So yeah, I can use this one to shred waste plastic into small flakes that can be used to extrude in an extruder machine, and then it becomes 3D printer filament. This is one of my 3D printers. It needs some repairs, but yeah, I got it for free, so it's okay. And I don't think I have any plastic right here, other than, yeah, this is the type of plastic that a 3D printer uses. This is just plastic waste. So these are all parts that I've tried to make that failed. So I save all of them, because one day I'm going to recycle all of it. I'm going to shred them and recycle them.